I hope you're having a great weekend, a great Sunday. I just finished all my errands and I was on my way home and I was like, you know what? I think I did a grocery haul the other day and I will put it up here on the cards and be sure to go over there and watch that video. But I just thought it would be a good idea to show you guys some of the meals that I fix with that grocery haul. And it's one thing to going out and getting the groceries and showing you guys, but I think it would be a good thing to show you guys what I actually do with that grocery haul on a weekly basis. So I've got some meals that I have prepared that I will put in this video to show you guys what I do and what I eat to lose this weight. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to get your future uploads. Have a great day. Hey, everybody. Good morning. I've had my coffee and it's time to eat. It's noon. I am hungry this morning. I have some food prepping to do today, and we're going to do some salmon. I thawed this out. It's all thawed out, ready to go. I put 2 tablespoons of this avocado, chosen foods, oil in there. The taste with the avocado oil is just something that is my go-to. Now I'm going to use this particular recipe for the salmon. This is just a food prep. I usually eat 3 of these a week, so I just fix them all at once, and then I put them in the refrigerator, and they're all ready to go to put with cauliflower mash, mac and cheese, or some broccoli mash, anything like that, kind of a side of a vegetable. I do cauliflower rice with this as well. And I just put my salmon right on top of there. So here's my seasoning that I use, the Old Bay for seafood, poultry, salads, and meats. This makes the salmon, look at those cuts. I mean, these are really good. These are from Aldi's. They're the salmon, the pink salmon. And I go ahead and I put my Old Bay on there. If I can get it open with one hand. But these I cook up. I'm going to put an egg or 2 over the salmon this morning. All right, everybody, here is the finished product. 1 piece of salmon, 2 eggs cooked in the avocado oil and salt and pepper with the Old Bay spices. You guys, if you want a delicious breakfast, this is your ticket. Hey, you guys, I am eating 2 turkey burgers with 1 tablespoon of Kerrygold butter that I had left over. Yeah, I did break down and I got some a long time ago. I'm so cheap. I just haven't wanted to use it. Anyway, so 2 turkey burgers, and then I'm going to put cheese on those. I'm going to top them with some Duke's mayo. And then some salts and some chili lime seasoning. If you never tried this, it's really good. I'm going to take this fresh spinach. I'm going to just saute it up in the same juices as the turkey that's cooking in. And then we're just going to eat that and the turkey burgers. I'm also going to top it with 2 eggs. So this is pretty much my bigger meal of the day. So I'm just going to go over easy eggs on top of the turkey burger with a little bit of mustard on the side with the mayo. I may not put the mustard though, just the Dukes. All right. All right, everybody, look at this. Oh my. So I have my side of mayo, 2 eggs, 2 turkey sandwich or 2 turkey burgers. I have a little bit of goat cheese underneath this little egg here. And then I have my 1 ounce of macadamia nuts. And then I have my grape Zevia. These are new find for me. I've heard of people drinking them, but I never believed the hype. So when I got them, I was like, oh my God, this is something new. So, yeah, I'm going to have those and this. So look at this. This is just to die for. I mean, hello. There's my egg. Yes. I cannot wait to bite into this. I decided not to do the spinach because I already had the lettuce underneath here that I'm going to eat that. I may do a side of spinach a little bit later if I get hungry. That'll be my little snack per se. But I did put some nutritional yeast on the burgers as well along with the seasoning. Emma, I don't know how you can sleep so much. You just slept like 12 hours. Are you going to bed? Are you going to bed? Again, look how you're laying.